Hello guys, so it's been a while since I've had an unboxing video. This item is my favorite that I've been consistently buying for the past 2 years. This is the third year or the third item that I'm buying from In His Love. This is now, I've ordered this or I pre-ordered this rather November 4 and I've just received it November 26. So let's open this up. This is the 2024 Daily Interact Certified Positive Planner with the calendar and the SOAP prayer book. So let's start opening it up. So here is what's included on the package. I also add ordering this kasi nawawala yung pang marker ko sa Bible ko. And first is the sticker. We have this sticker. Thank you from In His Love. The 2024 tabletop calendar. The 2024 Daily Interact Certified Planner and SOP Prayer Journal. So let's start na unahin nating usisain tong SOP Prayer Journal. So generally SOAP means scripture, observation, application, and prayer. As you can see here, nakasulat din siya sa first few page. The following page provide the description of it. Then as you go along, it's just very plain simple. It's provide like a table or different pages. So hindi siya kagaya nung mismong certified daily interact planner na meron na predated siya. So ito hindi siya predated. So you can use this even not just on 2024 but throughout the year if you have some special prayer or special scripture or favorite scripture na encounter mo, then it will be helpful. It also have stickers at the end. Now, busisain naman natin tong 2024 Daily Interact Certified Positive Planner. So, unlike nung SOAP Prayer Journal, si Soap Journal walang cover, while si Daily Interact Certified Planner have this plastic covering. It's really quite secure. And i-comment ko rin pala doon sa SOAP Prayer Journal, it's hardbound. Like the 2024 Daily Certified Positive Planner. It's also hardbound. Ayan, so let's open this up and tingnan natin yung per month pages niya. Ayan, this is my fourth, kanina sinabi ko fourth planner ko na pala to with In His Love. So this is also hardbound and I chose the blue one. Meron silang isa pa yung white. Kaya lang I prefer the blue one kasi baka dumihin. So the first page is the welcome page. Then this one is yung mga how you could maximize your plan. Mga picture ng mga gumamit din ng planner. There's a Bible reading guide. You could write your testimony of faith. Put a letter of God, life verse, and verse bank. You could put in also your special prayer requests and your spiritual goals and personal goals and saving goals. I believe ilalagay ko dito yung saving goal ko for the covenants. Then there's the calendar and yan. Isa-isahin natin yung per month. So January, then it have monthly goals and small calendar where you could do your weekly planner. Now buklatin natin isa-isa. Yung per month. And here, this is February. It have 3 verses. Then let's go to March. March have 2 verse on Psalms. Now let's go to April. And April have 2 verse from Matthew. Change natin yung focus. Lapit natin ng konti. Yan. Then, let's go for May. Where is May? Yan. May have 2 verse from Ephesians. Now, let's go to May June. Ayan, meron ding pang ipit. Now, here's June, also 2 verse, 1 Corinthians. Then on July, 2 verse from Matthew. Then August, 2 verse from the book of Acts. Then let's go for the next month. Ano nga ba tayo? September, from the 2 verse. And then let's go for October. Saan na? Whoops, lumampas. Here's October, also 2 verse. November, 2 verse. And lastly, we have December. Wait, lumampas tayo. Here's for the month of December, also 2 verse. And at the end, kaya lang before, merong notes where you could put your special notes, and meron ding Bible verse stickers, and there's many little stickers as well that you could utilize and throughout your planning. And that's it for the 2024 Daily Interact Certified Planner. And unlike nung last year na planner na magaspang, this one is makinis. Now let's open up the calendar. Kakalungkot lang kasi wala silang ngayong wall calendar. They only have the tabletop calendar made for 2024. I'm not sure bakit hindi sila gumawa ng wall calendar. So this, let's open it up by month. Here's January, February. It's very colorful. Nakakalamig. Ang lamig niya sa mata. Green. There's January, March, and then April and May. June, July. And let's go August, September, October, November, and then the last month is December. Ayan, that's it. I will be putting it in my workstation here at home. Ayan. So that's all for all the items that was just delivered to me from In His Love PH. I will indicate on the description below where you could buy it on Shopee and Lazada. So that's it for today's video. Have a nice day. Bye!